Here we presents the top 5 best hair dryers. Starting at number 5, NITION Negative Ions. We love dryers for curly hair that offer all the flexibility of a traditional blow dryer, but also offer the sensitive drying required for the perfect head of ringlets. This affordable dryer gives you tons of options with a standard concentrator nozzle, comb nozzle and a wide diffuser for forming wavy and curly styles super fast. It features a ceramic-coated grill over the output vent that is infused with nano-silver particles, argan oil and tourmaline to fight frizz, add shine and help hair dry more quickly, as it helps to break up water particles for faster results. This dryer also features 3 heat settings, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button to set your style. It has an easy-to-clean filter with a pop-down door, and we appreciate the ALSI safety plug, as not all bathroom outlets are equipped with GFCI outlets. We think you'll love that it also comes with a 2-year replacement guarantee and a longer time frame for returns than many others if you're not completely satisfied. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, JINRI 1875W Professional. When it comes to choosing the best dryers for curly hair, we're looking for long life and reliability as well as performance. This dryer for curly hair delivers the goods when it comes to that, plus we like the infrared heater that helps to reduce hair damage while you dry. With super powerful airflow, this dryer makes quick work of styling, but it's quiet as well as efficient. The powerful 1875-watt motor delivers professional quality airflow, with 2 speed settings for quick styling. It also has 3 heat settings to customize your style, along with a cool shot button for setting. It also has superior flexibility and comes with 3 attachments: a concentrator, a diffuser with really long fingers, and a straightening comb for those days when you're dying for a smooth style. At the price, it's a solid buy for both home and salon use. On the downside, it's heavier than many, so if you're looking for a lightweight option, you may want to consider a different dryer. If budget is your primary consideration, JINRI offers a different model at a savings, but it doesn't come with the straightening comb. Halfway of my list at number 3, Berta 1875-watt. One of our pet peeves with many blow dryers is the location of the controls, which can be unintentionally changed while you're in the process of drying. That just happens to be one of the reasons we picked this particular model from Berta as one of our favorite dryers for curly hair. With controls mounted on the side, rather than where your fingers are likely to bump them, it is easy to manage, although we'll admit that button placement isn't popular with everyone. Perhaps we have stubbier fingers than most. This dryer features an 1875-watt professional-grade motor that has been designed for both long life and less noise. With tourmaline ceramic ionic technology for healthy shine and more moisture. This dryer comes with 3 attachments, a concentrator, a diffuser, and a straightening comb. That's the kind of flexibility we appreciate, because who wants to look the same every day? It also boasts low energy consumption, which is a bonus if you're trying to reduce your carbon footprint. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2. Hot Tools Professional 1875 watts. When you're looking for serious airflow, this ceramic rainbow dryer delivers with an 1875-watt motor and jet turbo fan. With 3 times the airflow, you'll get salon-level performance. Tourmaline technology helps to prevent over-drying, while ceramic plates deliver negative ions to give you lots of shine without frizz and eliminate static electricity. We love the rubberized handle, which makes this dryer easier to control than some. It also has an easy-to-remove air filter, which isn't the case with every dryer. With 2 heat settings, 3 airflow speeds and a cool shot button, this dryer comes with 2 concentrators and a great diffuser. The 8-foot cord is a plus in the salon setting, and this dryer also has a built-in heat overload protection circuit. Did we mention that it looks super cool? On the downside, it's big and a bit heavy, so consider that in your search criteria. And number 1. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. If you're game to make a major investment in your hair, this is one purchase we think is definitely worth it, especially when you consider what you spend on products, haircuts, color and more. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer has so many things going for it that are worth noting. But let's talk about a biggie, the nozzles. If you've been completely frustrated with dryers for curly hair that have a detachable diffuser that loves to fall off in the middle of styling, you won't have that problem with this one. Dyson's concentrators and diffuser attach magnetically for secure use during your entire styling time. Also, the diffuser stays cool to the touch, which matters because good technique requires you to hold it close to your scalp. Because the motor is in the handle, you also won't deal with the hand and arm fatigue caused by the heavy head in other dryers. That means if you're a professional stylist, you'll lessen your risk of repetitive motion injuries, and best of all, because of the motor placement, it doesn't suck your hair into the motor. Whether you're a professional or you're a home user, you'll find drying is a total breeze. If you're looking for a lifetime tool that encompasses drying, styling, and curling in one, consider the Dyson Airwrap Styling Set. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.